Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to take backup of contacts in Google Drive. It's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To take a backup of your contacts in Google Drive, you can follow these steps. So firstly, open your Google Chrome app, then go to contacts.google.com and sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. On the bottom side, you'll see a list of options. Now go to Contacts to view all your contacts. In the contacts list, click on the Export button. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose the format for exporting your contacts. You can choose Google CSV for a format that's compatible with Google services, or VCard for a format that's widely supported by other services and devices. After selecting the export format and contacts, click on the Export button. Once the export is complete, go to Google Drive and sign in if necessary. Then upload the exported CSV or VCard file to your Google Drive by clicking on the New button, then selecting File Upload. Then just tap on the Select to upload the contact CSV file. By following these steps, you have successfully backed up your contacts to Google Drive, ensuring that you can't access them from anywhere and restore them if needed. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.